Saturday morning, got us a remulch that we getting into. About to pick up 30 bags of red mulch. Do recommend that you actually visit your local center. It's gonna have a little bit more variety, something that's gonna last a little bit longer. We're at Home Depot today, but wherever you can get your home and garden supplies from, try to get something a little less than what you see at the big box stores. Better quality too, so let's go.
It's Mr. Bouquet with Bouquet of Baton Rouge Lawn Care and Landscaping. About to show you how we remulch a flower bed down here in southern Louisiana. So tune in, check us out. Make sure you like and subscribe too. Help the channel out, help us grow. Let's go. First thing we want to do is make sure we get all these weeds out the flower bed, right? Yeah, I know it's dirty. Don't want to do it. It's the hardest part about it. But guess what? In southern Louisiana, that's what we love to do. We love to work hard. Right now, as you're looking at this, it's probably over 100 degrees. But you know what? For the love of it, we're going to pull this grass out of here and show you how we get it done in southern Louisiana. So like I say, make sure you got you some good protection on and that you're ready to roll. And let's just dig right in and pull as many weeds, grass as we can possibly find around the outer edge of the flower bed all the way through. Let's go. And the last tip we got for you is probably the most important one. We always want to make sure we're doing this at the best time of year. As you see, got to this one a little bit late, so it was 100 and something degrees outside, people. So make sure you're choosing the right time of the year, right time of the day to get this job done. Here in Southern Louisiana, the best time to get your remulches done and your flower beds installed are gonna be the late fall and early spring, almost late winter. Reason why? The grass, the weeds, even your plants have not started growing yet. So in order to tackle all your problems like the weeds and making sure your flower bed looks nice and your roots can get established before it gets too hot and it gets too warm and they start growing, make sure you choose the right time of year. Make your job easy.